Hey, poopers. The original Polish sausage. That's right. Chicago made, Chicago born Polish sausage. You can't get a better one from this side of Krakow. These are 14 inches, okay? They're quite impressive. Yeah, it's a combination of beef and veal, and they're very nice. I'm toasting these guys. I'm not going to incinerate them. I don't like incinerated sausage. What I am going to do when I get them inside, I'm going to cut them down the middle as close as possible. And right now I've got a simmering pot of onions. Then I'm going to drop a 12-ounce bottle of hard cider in there. And then I'm going to drop these in there. And I'm doing these sausages Sheboygan style. In fact, I got this hint from a vendor at Elkhart Lakes, Wisconsin for an IndyCar race. You know, up there, man, they got all these kiosks and booths, and Clement's sausage from Milwaukee and Usinger's, Johnsonville, they all have it. I prefer Usinger's, okay, but Usinger doesn't make this. They make a Polish, but not like this. But anyway, I was talking to this Johnsonville guy, and I said, what's the secret? Why are these so smoky and juicy? He says, well, we use hard lump charcoal, like I do, and like you guys do. And afterward, we plunge them into a pot of onions and beer. And I said, well, I've heard of doing it the other way, doing it in beer first, and then doing it that way. But no, it's the opposite way. This is the Sheboygan way. Okay, so these are done. I'm getting them off. I'm gonna plunge them in that pot of cider. Okay? Hang loose, we'll be right back. Hey, poopers, welcome back to #StraightPoop. I got my Polish in here, and you know, it looks quite delectable because they were grilled. Now they're kind of simmering in some French onions. Bought some French onion bulbs. Very nice. And a very sweet flavor. So, taking up this onion flavor as well. And as you noticed, we cooked them over pecan wood. The fuel, as always, is hardwood lump charcoal. Now, I'm raising the heat. And I'm dumping a bottle of hard apple cider. And I'm gonna let that come to a boil real quickly. Then I'm gonna platter these guys. You know what I'm saying? And I want some of that broth. Or I should say cider, but it's mixed into the onion broth, I would say. Kind of making like a oniony. I'll find something to do with it, you know, because I'm frying the onions, like I said, in cannabis oil. And I've got a little knob of cannabis butter in there too. So if I could mix the two, cool. I don't use too much butter, as I've said before. Yes, this is looking great. This is exactly what we want. You know what? I'm gonna let this go for a while. Let it come to a complete boil, because it's too early to put on a platter. Give me a couple seconds for Jim to do some magic here. We'll be right back. Yeah, welcome back. Hey, it's reduced very nicely, okay? And our Polish look really good. The onions look really good. I'm getting this to a platter because I know you guys are getting hungry. One thing, just to bring out the sharpness of, contrast the sweetness of the onion with the bitterness of the lemon. Okay. Turn that on. And obviously, nobody has a pot, you know, big enough. Well, you could probably get one for a 14-inch sausage. But if I was going to serve these on a bun, which I'm not, might serve it with some red kraut. But I don't think I would serve this on a bun. I kind of like it as a, not a snack or a walk around thing at a ballpark. I kind of like it on a table. Maybe an Oktoberfest feast. You know, something like that. Yeah, that looks good, man. Polish sausage. Veal and beef. Green onions, knob onions, sauteed, and then a bottle of hard cider to deglaze the pan, bring those sugars in fond, F-O-N-D, that's the stuff stuck to the bottom of the pan. So, delectable, big party food. So anyway, grab your free e-cookbook, it's at the comment section, pinned comment at the top, just click the link. Me and my dogs love having you here at #StraightPoop. Poopers! If you're waiting on us, you're loafing. We'll see you next time. Hang loose!